Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
What's up guys, welcome back to the course. In this video, we're going to learn how to utilize the last AI tool, which is Deep Brain, to create the ad video for YouTube ads and TikTok ads campaign, guys. So the first thing that I want you to do is to click on deepbrain.io, and then it will take you here to this page. And as you guys can create generative AI videos with just a script, right? So it's basically a text to video AI generator where you can convert a text or a content script or ad copies into a video automatically using AI. Okay, so what I want you to do next is to sign up, right? So to create your account here. So just click on create a free AI video, and you're going to be taken into this page. This is kind of like the dashboard, all right? So just click on it, all right? Just click on it, and you're going to be taken here. Okay, very cool. So what I want you to do next is to pick which template that you want to use. As you guys can see, there's nothing here inside my project folder because we haven't created anything here. We haven't created any project. So obviously there's nothing here. And if you go up and click on sales, right? There are several video templates that you can use for marketing and sales. It really depends on what product that you're selling. It really depends on what kind of ad video that you want to make. Okay, so if you click on beauty, you can see all of these pre-made ad video templates related to beauty or maybe news. Look at these news anchors, business, what else, sales, social media, presentations, educations, event, hobby, chatgpt. So actually the objective here is to create an ad video that doesn't look like ad video, right? We want to create an ad video that looks like content, because that's like the best strategy to be successful on TikTok, right? Because if you want to display your ads on TikTok and you create an ad video that looks like conventional ad, just straight to the point, telling what you're selling, then most likely you're not going to get a lot of clicks, because people on TikTok, they're on TikTok to have fun, not to buy something, right? But if you create your ad video to look very similar to your content, then most likely there are lots of people who are going to enjoy your content, and also there will be lots of people who will click on that ad. Okay, so since we're going to be advertising this product, right? 3D electric head message instruments, wireless machine, or whatever you want to call it. So let's go back to Deep Brain, the dashboard, and I want you to click on sales, all right? And we're going to pick one of these. So I guess I'm gonna pick this one. Or maybe not, I'm going to explore like different templates, guys. It doesn't have to be from sales. It can be from other categories too. So I'm thinking about this one. All right, so I'm just gonna click on it, and you might want to watch this video to see like how it looks like. So look at this. This is actually not a real human, right? So this is AI powered avatars. So what we're going to do here is to provide him with the ad copies or the content script, and then AI is going to automatically convert that into a video where there is a human-like AI powered avatars explaining or advertising our products in this video. So I'm just going to click on create AI video. Okay, and while waiting, I'm going to go to chatgpt and I'm going to type in this prompt: generate me content script for 30 seconds, or maybe not 30 seconds, maybe like 20 seconds ad video for my electric wireless pet messenger. Right, very cool. Okay, so it's seems that ChatGPT is going to generate us with multiple scenes. Okay, so scene 1, scene 2, scene 3, scene 4, scene 5, scene 6, scene 7, and scene 8. Okay, so it really seems that this is too long, so I might just tell ChatGPT to like summarize it into like one paragraph, I guess. So that's too long. Please summarize it into a short paragraph, right? Okay, so as you guys can see, we're going to copy and paste like the content script here, okay? And the good news here is the fact that you're able to customize this avatar. So let's say you don't really like his appearance, you might want to change that. You can feel free to do it by, just explore other options like maybe Benjamin or maybe Maria. So there are like many different options. Just scroll down, guys, many different options. Okay, for example, Dom, right? Look at his name. Or maybe Helen. I think I'm gonna go with Daniel, right? So yeah, I'm gonna use his face. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is to copy and paste this, alright? Copy and paste this content script for this. Here we go, and the next thing that I want you to do is to click on the voice, right? So as you guys can see, there are several different voices available. So all of these are AI voices. You might want to click on this play button and here to the voice sample, and then here if you like it. If you don't like it, then feel free to change it to like different voice. So for example, this one is in English with American accents. Alright, and this is a male voice. If you don't like that voice, you can feel free to change it into any other voice that you want, right? But to be honest with you, I don't really care about the voice, so I'm just gonna stick with the first one here, right? Okay, so that's voice, and you might also want to edit this. So we're going to replace this with a wireless messenger, right? So that's going to be the video title, I guess. I'm going to place this on the middle so you can read this. Okay, so here we go. And what I want you to do next is to click on export, guys. But before that, you might also want to click on audio preview just to, see the preview. Just to make sure if you like it, if you're satisfied with the video. Okay. And yeah, just click export, and as you guys can see, you have like 3 options. You can export this as a video or MP4. You can also, finally, the video has been processed. It took like a couple minutes. It took 3 or 4 minutes or maybe 5 minutes, guys. So I decided to skip that part because I didn't want the video to be very long. As you guys can see, now I can play the video. So just click on play button. Alright, it is still buffering. And if you want to download it, just click download. Look at this. Looks very realistic, right? Like real human, even though this is actually not a human, guys. This is AI powered avatar. But look at him. He is advertising our product. Okay, so if you want to download it, just click download, and that's it. Very easy, very straightforward. Okay guys, I think that's it. I'll see you guys in the next video where we're going to learn how to monetize our copywriting skills, right? I'll see you guys there.
For more updates, subscribe to our channel, click the show links and enjoy watching the videos.